What if you have the opportunity to earn money online in the easiest way possible? Yes, this will be by copying and pasting images onto a t-shirt. And yes, you can earn a ridiculous amount of money even without hard selling the product that we are about to make. It is possible for you to earn money passively, plus with this method is completely free and you don't need to pay for anything. Another good thing is that it's available for everyone around the world, so it doesn't matter where you come from, and it will be still available for you to earn and profit and get the cash rolling into your PayPal and straight into your bank account. I know that nowadays it's really hard to earn money online since some markets are oversaturated and you have lots of competitors, but not a lot of people know about this money making strategy. And if you have a super sleeve which make us put the minimal financial amount of effort, roll up your sleeves and will start doing some work. So if you're interested, and I know that you are, keep watching the video until then and don't skip any part, so you will be able to do this properly and avoid the mistakes that people make commonly. And this is Manifest Daily Profits, and welcome to the channel where I teach you methods on how to make money online. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to smash the like button if you have any questions. So with that said, let me take you to the computer and get started with today's strategy. So in today's strategy, the first website which I would like you to come to is Google, and I want you to put cute animals on the search bar. And once that you do that, you're gonna see that there are so many different images of animals appearing. So instead of going on all, you need to click on images, and these are all the different images that are appearing. And as you know, like, people love funny images of animals, and this is something like I'm gonna show you step by step how you could actually make money with this strategy. Okay, so as you can see, this image is very cute, and as you can see, you know, I'm sure you have seen it in social media all over the place that people are posting images, so many different animals. So in order for you to use these ones, what I want you to do is I want you to go into images, as I said, and then you will go into tools. To access tools, you will go into more, and then in more you will click on tools, and here you're gonna be able to select whether if you want all of them, whether if you want Creative Commons licenses, or you want commercial and other licenses. Commercial and other licenses are actually the ones that are gonna allow you to be able to use them in other different platforms, so you can monetize this, you know. And another website that I want to show you that I actually has got a great variety of images is, first of all, is Flatticon. Okay, so Flatticon has got more than 30,000 stickers that you could actually share on your different designs, and I'm gonna show you how you're gonna be able to do these designs in a minute. So you could click on animal, for example, cute animals, and then over here you're gonna see so many different images that are actually really cute, and if you know how to use them, you might be able to make profit from it, you know. And another website which I want to show you, which is actually very good for images, is freepik.com. So freepik.com as well, you're gonna be able to choose from so many different images, and then you have a subscription where if you want you can subscribe, and it's free, and as well they've got a pay version. Okay, so then once that you click on, for example, animal, cute animals, you're gonna see all the different images appearing here, you know. So this is endless. There are so many that you could choose from, that when you combine these images together with what I'm gonna show you, then you will be able to make profit. Look at this image, how cool is this? So imagine putting this image on the next website I'm gonna show you, which is Tspring.com. So Tspring.com, as you can see here, it says it's a simple solution for creating and selling products that engage your fans and help you monetize your content. No cost, no hassle, no risk. And that's the most important thing, that you are going to be able to monetize your content by being able to put these different designs in so many different products, which could be your bag, which could be a hat, which could be a t-shirt, which could be a jumper. So it's actually very good an opportunity for you to jump in and start utilizing this platform, because once that you add the designs, there is nothing else you have to worry about. It's just actually the designs that you will need to add, and then you will be able to create your store. Okay, so in order to sign up, you will need to go into register, which is here. You will click on start creating, And here you will need to fill up all your information. They will send you an email confirmation to your email address to make sure that is the correct email address. And once that you log in, this is how the platform will look like, so there are so many different options that you can choose from, including like a t-shirt, a jumper, a hoodie, teacup, a glass, so you can come over here and then you can choose, you can click on your dashboard where you will be able to see your different product collections that you have. And in order to create, you can just go over here and then click on create. Okay, so you can create multiple things. You can check here your store. Here you could see your listings, and here you will be able to see your payouts, so if you are able to bring very cool designs that attract people's attention and people find very interesting and they want to buy, then you could add them to your t-shirt. Imagine you put like a t-shirt like this where you put the image. You could actually even remove the background if you want to, like with applications like remove.bg, where you can actually take the background and as well add it on your picture. It could be actually very cool, and could be very cool stuff for you to add, so in order for you to create, you can just click on create, and then you just follow the different steps from the Tspring launcher. And here within the matter of minutes you're gonna be able to have your own design, which is actually incredible. And Tspring is a place where you're gonna get millions of traffic, millions of visitors. So there is a huge opportunity that if you got good designs, you will be able to check them out, and for people to purchase your products, and then obviously you will make a sale out of that. So another place that you could go to create your designs, you could go actually to Fiverr. And as you can see here, if you click like animal design, you're gonna see all these different animal designs appearing. So what you could do is you could just give them, for example, a reference sample that you have seen that you might like, and then try to find a Fiverr artist that made very cool graphics, and then you could come back to your Tspring launcher and add it, for example, on your hoodie, or you could add it on your teacup, or you could add it in a cap, or you could add it on some type of tank top, so actually you can plan it as well for different seasons. And now in a couple of months the spring is coming, the summer is coming. It's a great opportunity for you to jump into it. But you could just go into apparel to test. But as well, if you click here, you can see as well home and deco. They've got so many different options where you can do like wallpaper, as well like bottles, as well like teacups, glasses, pillows, so it's very good, so obviously the most important thing is that you've got quality designs that people will actually like. And then once that you have very cool designs, that you have built your store, you are going to be able to monetize it. And this could be a great source of income for you, because this is something that is not going to take you that amount of time for you to do it, but once that you do it, it's going to stay there. People want to see it, they're going to buy it, and then you will receive a confirmation to your email address with the payouts. That's the only thing that obviously the most important thing you want to worry about. So obviously clearly you need to just obviously build your store. Once that you build your store, you can start adding your different products, and once that you have your store ready with the different products or the different designs, then is when you will be able to monetize it. So actually you could go as well to different Facebook groups, and as well you could even go to Quora in order to get some traffic for your store. But Tspring by itself already get a lot of traffic, so as I say, it's a good idea for you to start implementing right away. Once that you build your store, you can just kick back and relax. You don't have to be thinking about it anymore. The only thing, if you're gonna obviously get more products, you could add more products on your store, and the more products you have, the better chances for you will be of making money. Okay, so with that said, guys, that was all I wanted to share with you. It's a great strategy, like where you can start using cute animal designs, start putting on your products, and start profiting from this, and if you are consistent, I can guarantee you that you will be able to make profit with this. But obviously you need to be consistent, you need to take massive action, and then you will still need to put the work in. So that's undeniable. You will need to put some time to build it, and then before it can run by itself. But additionally, guys, if you want to find out alternative ways where you can make thousands of dollars per day, then go ahead and click on the first link in the description, because I will send you a free checklist to your email address on how you can get started with your own business. And most importantly, I will show you my favorite way to make thousands a month with affiliate commissions. It's a great way, great system, and I'm sure that you will love it too. So guys, I hope that you're very successful and you take massive action. I will come very soon with the latest strategies on digital marketing, so you can be the first one to benefit from them and make profit. So I will see you very soon, and take care.